All right, back at it again. All right, so where did we leave off? I think we ended up deciding to add multiple rules and validators to specific fields. So we could use a pipe to identify another rule, and then our colon is what separates the type between the actual rule itself. So now we could implement things such as confirm password, and provide a regular expression to calculate the strength of the password. So I think this is actually a good start. Hey, what's up, Unstoppable? How's everything? So I think that's where we'll start. We'll start working with actual comparing functionality. We're gonna have to pull the compare field identified within the rules into scope, and then read that validator or that value and see if it matches the value of the actual input we're referring to. That's good, that's good. Okay, so I think that's where we'll start. So we're already looping through each rule, and we're already segmenting our rules into two parts, key and validator. So from there, we just need to pull in this logic. So we'll kind of imitate what we already have. Right, where are you? All right, so we already have fields. Okay, compare. Okay. Rule type and rule condition. So rule condition is essentially our input ID for the compare value. So we're gonna compare the password with the confirmed password to see if they match. And that will determine our conditions. Okay. So we'll use fields that gets, and then we'll use rule conditions. She's the type of person that wants to take it slow. I'm sure it'll work out. Fields get. We're gonna get the field here, and we will unwrap it. I should probably that's cool. All right, so if let's field equals, I think is this an option? Or is it a result? Let's just make sure. It's an option, okay. So we have to wrap it with sum. Right. I kind of would want it to yell at me if it didn't exist. But I feel like this is probably better practice. All right, so we have that. If there is something in that matches our rule condition, then we should, where are you? Fields. Options. Get. Oh, we have an issue here. Or do we? Field value. No, we shouldn't have an issue here. Field value is the option we're looking for. I might be out of scope at this point. What am I storing in my field value? I get the current field's value, but I don't think I have a way to get the fields unless I'm updating the hash map when we're changing the states. Let me see. I'm currently making a I'm currently implementing my validator, my field validator. So for instance, as someone types here, we kind of have to validate the field and provide some sort of error output based off of their entry. So like for instance, I'm right now using the defaults validators or requirement or the default validators within the browser to check if these are inputted properly. So if they don't input like an email, it'll basically tell them please include an @ in the email address, just so it matches their regular expression. But for things like password comparing or password strength detection, I kind of have to hook into these events that you see in the console log on the bottom. And basically compare both those values and create some sort of validation mechanism within my form builder, so I can kind of repurpose this and use this for different forms. So there's that. Let me actually see something for input. I wonder if they implemented something by default MDN. Yeah, you see, I don't have that option there, but so I'm currently implementing that. Right now I'm troubleshooting an issue where prevents me from accessing the field that I want to compare with, because it's currently not in scope, and I don't think I'm updating the value within my hash map. Kind of doing that here. Doing this here. And since this is not in scope, I'm just creating the object, returning the type. And the reason why it's out of scope is because I can't actually move it in here. Yeah, I'm kind of instantiating it again here. I'm getting the events. That's cool. Okay. Fields. What's going on with them? The trade bounds. Should I dereference this? Perfect. Dereferenced. Perfect. All right, so we have fields here. Here. I mean, let me see. I could technically bring the validator in here and then pass our keys, our hash map directly here, our library of fields, or our bucket of fields if you would like to say that. Or let me see something. On focus, we get the value of that field only. And then on submit, we get our entire object. All right. All right, let's do this. Let's go here. let's yank this guy. Right, and let's do that. Just pass it in there, and let's see if we could. So we're already doing fields right here. We're recloning it here. Let's collapse this guy. So this is out. Yep, this is perfect. So we're gonna bring in fields. Events, and then our CB right here. That's fine. We'll clone you. Got it. It's kind of right here. Seems like oh, duh. Forgot to ask. Alright, this is good. So with that, I think this will be fine. Let's close this. We're using you there. Use of moved value. Oh boy. This is... Let me just test this out. This makes no freaking sense, but... This is becoming very abstracted. I may have to think of something else. Oh, I said clear. I meant to say clone. Simple enough. So we'll just do this. I'll think of a better way of handling that, but that's annoying. Unused variables. Comment this guy out. I think we'll do this within validator right here. Our rule, field option. Yeah, so we'll do that. We'll yank all this. Right. Make sure I'm copying the right stuff. That's the for, that's the if, that's the rule. Yep, that's right. Okay. Alright, we'll keep that there. Bring this guy over here. Do I need this implemented within the individual types? I don't think so. So I'll just, oh, that's a bummer. All right, hold on. Okay, yep, this is fine. This is not going to change. Nope. You're going to stay the same. That's our for loop. This is that. So field value is what's going to change. So we could essentially ID is based off the type of element we're grabbing it. So if I switch up our field values a little bit and make them options, we should be fine. It's gonna add a little bit extra step to validate them, but I think it's an appropriate way of going about this. Okay. So then that will leave us to setting the object here instead. Equals field value. You know, we'll just set it to none. ID none. Value none. And then validator, none for now. So instead of us having to instantiate every single time, we could just set the value and then just pass it here. So I could essentially do field value ID equals ID. I'm gonna have to set that's mutable. Field value equals input value. And if this doesn't change, actually, where am I? Where's my key? Oh, right here. If this doesn't change, yeah, no, I need to separate them regardless. Input types change. What's up, Potato? How's everything going? Put value. And then here we'll just pass field value. And that should be good enough. And that looks a lot cleaner. And we'll instantiate in the beginning. Just gonna have to make that into Alright, perfect. I think that's awesome. Perfect. Ooh. Did I add one too many? Alright, we got that. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have an error, but the hell am I listening to? Field type, field value, and this scope not found in this. What? Oh. I think that was. Yeah. All right. Is that our 4? This. That's our if. That's our if. Oh yeah, I see it. I see it. That's our guy. There we go. Perfect. All right. Okay. Fields is definitely not in scope. We're setting our core. Field value isn't set yet, so we can't really do that. What if we were to yank this and just set it within our statements? And do our validator at the end. Might also make things a little easier, so that should be good. All right, so we'll yank that and put that right over here. Okay, so now field value is accessible. Field ID should be set. Fields is now what we're looking for, but we have our keys, which is what we're looking for. Let's save that. That should give us no errors. Oh, we have this one because it's keys. Okay. Add string. That's right. And that value has to be there regardless. So doing that, I did that initially, but it was screaming at me. Like it was saying like, no, this is not valid. But I could have had another error when I did that. So let's try. It seems to like it. So we could definitely revert that back. But it was giving me an error before when I was doing it. So that's why I kind of opted in for that. But there was multiple errors on top of there, so that could definitely be it. And I think this is what it was right here. Oh well, no, because I'm actually dereferencing it. So let me convert that back actually. 1 second. And I shouldn't have to dereference it, and that should resolve that issue that was showing up there. Yep, exactly. All right, so now Duh. All right, so we have to set this to sum. We have to update all this stuff because we put it behind an option now, which is totally fine. That should be good. What's the next option? 303. Oh, did I really put it around some parentheses? Yeah, I did. Yep, mutable. And then what you want. We'll leave it like that for now. Okay. So now we have our field here. We have our, okay. So now, since we have our field values set up here, we already have our field value available, and now we could pull our compare, the field we want to compare with. So keys, yeah, get row condition. This is the ID. That was actually right. Field value. Let's value equals. And then we have field value. Actually, we'll do this. Let if okay. We obviously can't do that, so we'll just do val, you know, or decisions. If oh man. I'm curious. Would it let me do that? Would it let me make this a variable? Yeah, nah. We'll just do it like this. Because if it's gonna scream at us, it's gonna scream at us. And it should have a value at this point. If it doesn't, something was configured incorrectly. So this has to be set on runtime regardless, on compile time. Build value, key, that gets, builds, unwrap, we'll do it here. If let, or is it let if? No, it's if let. I'm just doing the same exact thing. Oh boy. Put on our playlist here.
I just wanna make you mine. Mine.
Compare.
Mine. I just wanna make you mine. Mine. I just wanna make you mine. Mine.
Which one? Is the left or? Are you? Just to get the ball rolling. I'm gonna have to look into what's the proper way of doing that. Oh. I don't think Serialize is gonna let me copy that. false string. Then what am I storing in this guy? Let's go down real quick. So label, form field. For now, we'll just do a simple one field. I'm not gonna even use this. So, fields do not match. All right. So that's compare, and now we do regular expression. Now let's see. I actually have a feeling we could just implement regular expressions directly to the pattern property. Yeah, this may not even be required. Let's see what Rust has in their standard library for regular expression. We'll grab a drink. Be right back. Let's see what regular expression options we have for Rust. I don't like it, but for now, it'll do the trick. I really want to use some sort of struct to build this object right here, but for now, we'll use that. I'm actually wondering if it even makes sense to even put this in here. I could probably just do this. Alright, and just remove it from here altogether. I think that makes sense. All right. The question is, am I gonna have to use, is there a web.sys regular expression, or am I gonna, or is it gonna let me use this one? Only one way to find out. Excuse me. Only one way to find out. Let's see if it screams at us. Promising right now, so, and let's just do something real quick. Let's just set some objects. So struct, we created here our created count form. This is a perfect test. So our validator will be something like compare password, right? And then our message, our error message will be we'll do that, and then separated by a pipe, and then this will be reg x, and then let's see if we can find something here. I don't like this. I definitely don't like this. Alright, we will. We're going to paste that there. We're just going to okay. Two uppercase letters. We could probably eliminate one. We'll do that. One special character, totally fine. Ensures it has 2 digits. We could eliminate that. We don't really need that. One number is fine in my book. And then strength is about 8 characters. Sure has 3 lowercase. Yeah, we want that for sure. Perfect. I think that's optimal. All right, just so we can see it a little bit better. All right. So, does this regular expression have a matching option? So RE. No, I don't want to extract, I just want to match. Sample that matches. Is that what they use to capture? Oh, to match? Let's go to the documentation. Find a date. That's what I'm looking for, is match. That's what I'm looking for. All right. So we'll do that. And we'll yank that. Paste that here.
All these years, you've been mine. It wasn't easy, but we worked it out. All those tears, ups and downs. I swear it's been the best ride of my life. Look at where we are now, baby. Only blue skies ahead. And it wasn't all bad.
I mean, technically, we just need to set it here.
Look at where we began.
Because if it doesn't match,
Making out in my room, nobody had a clue. Sneaking out past curfew, we were only 17. Didn't say I love you, but we knew it was true. To this day I still do love you like I'm 17. Time went by,
do that for now. Okay.
Back then we didn't know this love would last. You and I still attached. Each other's futures and each other's past. Look at where we are
Brag.
now, baby. Only blue skies ahead.
New.
And it wasn't all bad, baby. Look at where we
Rule.
began.
Conditions.
Make it out in my room. Nobody had a clue. Sneaking out past curfew. We were only 17.
All right.
Didn't say I love you, but we knew it was true. To this
And
day
then we
I
could just
still
simply
do.
say
Like I'm 17. Still love you like I'm 17.
oh, I have to unwrap him.
Still love you like I'm 17.
Obviously. It is match. And then we have field, value, value. Okay. If res valid is false, then we'll want to output the message. Value string. Oh yeah, that is right. We have to unwrap. Well, something is happening. Results unwrapped. Form 37. 37. What are you? That seems better, actually. Here. Where? 37. We'll do that, I guess. We'll do let's some keys. Okay.
Took me for granted. Don't recognize you anymore. Once sweet and caring, now cold and calculated. You can't be trusted. You want the world for your own. You want maximum profit. You lost perspective. I won't give you direction. You're always restless. Want me to fix your problem. You can't be trusted. You want the world for your own. I'm your maximum profit. I can't afford to stay, so get out of my way. Smoking down the track and never looking back. You can't be with me anymore.
Did it really just go back that far?
Once I will let you in, but now I let you go. Honey, don't take me for granted. 'Cause I don't recognize you anymore. Once sweet and caring, now cold and calculated. You can't be trusted. You want the world for your own. You want maximum profit. I can't afford to stay, so get out of my way. Smoking down the track and never looking back. You can't be with me
Wait, hold on a second. Why am I two string?
Once I will let you in, but now I let you go. I can't afford to stay, so get out of my way. Smoking down the track and never looking back. You can't be with me anymore. You can't be with me. Once I will let you in, but now I let you go.
Sure. Oh.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Me too. We're letting
I want to see what error is giving me.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too.
I think I know what's going on. All right. Just to confirm it, let me just do this. It's totally this right here. It's not liking my brakes. Expected. Is the regular expression breaking it? Yeah. Yep, regular expression's breaking it. Huh. Well, of course it's gonna break it, actually. Doesn't have anything. Alright. Okay, let's try this. Let's test this out. Alright, we're passing our field values, which should already contain our validator. We're resetting it here. Works for me. Okay. Okay. Valid, false, but no message. It's not giving me a message. You're not being triggered. not getting triggered because you don't have a message. Password not strong. Response. Okay. Okay, so I put test. It's valid because the regular expression is test. False. False. Doesn't match. Alright, so the validator is working, but the message isn't working. Res is not valid. And do this. I mean, it could be triggering it, but it's probably not. What are we looking for? Setting 3. Man, let me try that. Info. Probably gonna give me an error. Oh. Settings. Oh, duh. Oh, man. It's gonna work now. Password not strong enough. I'm not getting. I am getting password not strong. But I'm not getting Password does not match. One, two. Oh, yeah, I am. Okay. Password's valid. Password does not match. Oh, that's an issue. The state is off. See, it works there, right? But if we get an error and then fix the error, we still get the previous error. Let's this is the one that we're setting here. This is valid. Oh, password does not match. Yeah, I know what the issue is. Damn it.
We kept letting it go for too long. It was time to react. You can run, you can hide, but the music will stop. It's a fact. friends piled it up, wondering where you are. You want something else, I agree, but that's where you belong. No point bending backwards for me, I'm just shifting along. There's no use holding on. If you love it, you set it free. Just let it go, move along. That's how it's got to be. Take your time, breaking slowly for a while. Breaking is easy. Take your time, don't wait, just lay it on the line. Make it right. I'll be lonely for a while, but believe me, I'll be fine. Happens all in good time. Happens all in good time. Oh, you win some, you lose some, fall down, you get up. No matter what you do, remember all the good times. Oh, the wind will change, the storm will calm down. You win some, lose some, all in good time.
Take it slowly.
For a while, breaking is easy. Take your time, don't wait, just lay it on the line. Why don't we just lay it on the line? I'll be lonely for a while, but believe me, I'll be fine. Happens all in good time. It happens
I know exactly what I'm gonna do.
breaking slowly for a while. Breaking is easy. Take your time, don't wait, just lay it on the line. Lay it on the line. I'll be lonely for a while, but believe me, I'll be fine. Happens all in good time. It happens all in good time.
Query. Oh, wrong thing.
Maybe I can call you friend or lover. Maybe we can find a way to merge them. Maybe I can call you friend or lover. Maybe we can find a way to merge them.
Damn it. Let's close that. It's been annoying. Alright, we're doing that. Do that. That. Oh, okay. Needs a okay, not a. It's not an option. The results. We do that. And then we have access to, try into. Let's see if we could do this. I'll have access to, let's see. HTML element. I think value is accessible by all those. So I think that may actually be that's what we want. All right, perfect. So we do that. Let's do a log real quick. See if we can actually get something with this. Yeah, we'll unwrap you. Am I supposed to instantiate it here? Converts is not satisfied. Source. Where am I using it? I know I'm doing something here. Query or window. We're creating elements, we're unwrapping it. See, this should be accessible through there. This should be accessible there. Yeah, you see, it's not. Oh, hold on a second.
You better start moving and feel the music. Get your groove on and let it use you. When you feel the fire and you know it's right. Pure desire. Just
Hey,
hold on
what's up,
tight.
Pesero?
Get up, down, move around. Get down on the ground. Get high and touch the sky. You know the reasons why. Just dance.
I'm just gonna generalize it to an HTML element. The property I need is accessible to all. I need to build a string first. Hold on. Oh yeah. I'm not done just yet. This is useless. I need to. I'm not pulling the right. I'm not using the right query. So input. Actually, we use format. Then that should provide us the appropriate query. Then now, okay. So let's test elements and see what that gives us. Depending on where I use it, but this case I used I used format just so I could build the string with the appropriate but I used both of them. I don't know which way is the best way to approach that. Okay. Let's go completely obscured here. And just unwrap it. Regardless of error, just to see if it does give us anything. This is rule type compare. The only field that's compare. Oh, that explains it. Yep. Okay. None. Let's take a look at it. Look at that query real quick. I think there's different situations for different things from what I could see. Different things for different things. That was funny. Different use cases for string and for formatting. Like string is good if you're trying to build a string based off conditions, because you could just push values to the string, and format is like appropriate if you want to just quickly interpolate a string with the value. Two, 4, 8. Oh. That's definitely the issue. Field get value. Keys gets rule condition. We're comparing right now. All right, let's field. Oh, duh. $281, $247. I was doing it wrong. Our rule condition is the field that we're trying to grab. Wow. All right. That's great. So now this should provide us with an appropriate option. Let's yank this guy. Let's put this here. Okay, so we're 255 right here. So we're definitely getting an option here. Okay. Probably don't even have to convert it to a type. If I could just pull the value. $255, yeah. That's not gonna work. value of primitive value. That just might give me the type and not the actual value. Primitive type. Yeah. Alright, so what we could do yank that, do inputs, paste that. What do you mean? If flat okay, some elements more pattern matching. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Yeah, that's kind of like what I want at this in this case, because at this point the field I'm looking for should already exist, because I'm pulling it from the rule condition, which is a setting of the field I've already generated. So at this point it should not exist, if that makes sense. So there's no point of like checking if it exists. It has to exist here, regardless. Oh, I see what you're saying. Oh, so I don't have to unwrap it, because now that's useful. I dig that. I learned something new. I did not know you could wrap those options together. Like, you can combine a result and an option like that. That's super cool, actually. Now let's hope I could just use this. I'm gonna have to unwrap this guy though. And at this point it exists already, so hold on, I need to go to web sys real quick. Or in other words, it must always match. Yeah. Yeah, the main reason I'm only using it is because the field has to exist regardless. And I'll get if it doesn't exist before this gets ran, it'll provide me an error then, rather than here. What I need to find out is what's the method for value. We have title. I mean, I could technically do get attribute, right? And then just without really doing that. Actually, if I could do that, this might allow me to clean up my code above and reduce this obscured lookup for type. Hold on. Sun 256. But there's definitely a value there. Am I setting it or no? I'm getting it. Doing it up here. Okay. Let's change this song. Find. All right. Let's refresh this. Set this to text real quick. Query. Selector. Inputs. Name equals what am I doing? That's not what I wanted. Value. It's not gonna work. Yeah. is it? Where are you? It's a local string, okay. Scream at me if that happens. Capitalized, HTML, text, and everything else is input. Okay. No, that's not what I wanted. Text area. All those have value options, so hopefully this would work like a charm. Okay. What's the mismatch? JS string from it's gonna let me, yeah, let's include that. Are you gonna let me do this? That would be awesome. Tuple struct or tuple variant. Let's see how we do that. Where are you? JS string. Sunshine. Try from okay. So I know JS value could be from. But I don't know if I have to wrap it. I think this could be either or. Hold on. Hold on a second. Let me comment this out real quick and let me. What do you want me to do? Missing arms. What is the arm? Missing, matching. What do you mean by that? Not on the left side. Oh. I knew that. That's what you mean. I was thinking it was like you would do it the same way you would do a static string. No? Val. Hold on, let me first do this. Yeah, let's. I'm literally just gonna do this. Let's see what this is first. This doesn't make any sense. Hold on, let me actually see something because this is probably not what I want. The match, GCC. All right. To local string. Let me see what this is giving me first before I start deconstructing this object. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. That's what I'm doing right now. I am that type of guy. I don't know. I like it. It looks cool. That way is probably a lot. Like I use it like sparingly. Like you'll see me use this several times, but I gravitate to that one for some weird reason. I don't know why. So this is 258. 258. Where are you? I don't know. I just hate this. Like this doesn't look clean to me. I don't know. It's whatever the project's patterns are. That's what you stick with. If I notice like in code that if I'm working in a project that I see them using 2-string everywhere, I'll probably opt in to use 2-string just to keep things consistent. Hold on, why aren't you? Okay, so we're in compare, so it should trigger on this guy. $257. So it's not giving me anything. But if I do this, am I gonna have to unwrap this again? Log like log info? Oh yeah, for sure. Welcome to the stream, Abran. And thanks for the follow. Much appreciated. Oh boy, I think what's going on, I'm running into an error that's preventing it from compiling. So I'm seeing the same exact code over and over again. So my thing could have been working. To local. The trace and the logs are both useful. Like sometimes the log and the console log is awesome just because, you know, I could see the things like the element, like debugging certain elements, but the console log, the terminal trace provides me more of an idea of where the error is, and sometimes it breaks the console logging for whatever reason. And that's why I use contained. Okay. To local string. To local, let's see what local name gives us. If I could get just HTML input elements, I'll use a match instead. It just gives me input. Well, I mean, that's fair. Let me see something. Let me move on to the next step. I don't have no validation on this. But it should also be an input with a different type. I think that's fair, because the local name will be select if it's a select object. Let's test it out. Let's add another dummy field. Compare password, and we'll do error message, and then this is a select icon. We'll keep that there. We'll make this 4. We won't set a value required, sure. 1, 2. Oh, what's going on? Yep. This is true. All right. Select field. No such field. Oh. This is also true. Select field. Oh. Oh, wrong file. Form select option. Alright, we'll just fill this up. Alright. Label. Alright. Oh, I think that's fine. I don't even think I tested this out yet. Might just be going down another rabbit hole. But let's... Logic seems sound. Forty-seven. So, yeah, we're gonna hold off on that. We're definitely gonna have to touch base with this again. I think. Local name. Right. For now, just to get the ball rolling, I'm gonna do this. I don't think I completed my the select element on my form builder yet, so I'm gonna hold off on that. Yeah, you're right, I could make this smaller. Oh, is it a string already? Yeah. I don't want to. I want to keep this like this because it'll remind me to implement. Keep that like that for now. Okay. Hate that it's screaming at me. No, that's not what I want. I wanted. All right. There's an error somewhere else. Oh, there we go. Okay. What are you talking about? Oh. Perfect. All right. So we got our actual valley from here. Perfect. All right. So we bring this in here.
Moment I can't forget, when everyone seemed to let go of
Valid.
integrity and pride.
We should now not get valid.
She's of a better deed.
Password does not match. We remove it. True. Perfect. Thanks for the follow, Cherry Coder. Welcome to the stream. Perfect. So now our states are valid. Let's clean this stuff up.
We struggle against the odds.
I'm literally just tempted to add.
Helping us to make order of this mess. There's a feeling I can't evade. It rises when I'm afraid. Will we ever live again? There's so many things that should have been.
Hesitation. I don't know if I could do this.
Hesitation coming around again. Termination, all that we might have been. In a world of unbelievers, there is no way of getting across to a crowd of true
Alright, so we got validation. Regular expression is just not working. And that has to do with how our data is being interpreted here. Let's see what character breaks it. Just gotta figure out what character's breaking the script. There we go. So it's the brackets. That's an inconvenience because it kind of need the brackets. This is really annoying the living crap out of me. So 47 is where the error occurs. Right here. Something about Serde that's not liking the brackets. Well, that actually makes kind of sense. Some kind of sense. Because it's technically trying to parse some JSON. Yeah, you see, yeah, that's where it's messing up. I'm normalizing it here. Then after the fact, so I'm basically escaping these guys, this array right here. And that's probably why my select field type didn't work as well. Let's see if we could do a little patch for now. So this is before, and then this is after. So if I look for this guy, look for this guy and replace it with this. I don't like this. Not one single bit. All right.
Looks so pretty on the outside. Got the eyes of an innocent one. You can never
Okay, so it's still valid syntax.
they'll never say
So now let's reintroduce our regular expression.
don't call me up. I know you know what you did, so I'm turning the radio up. Don't wanna hear it's too late for apologize. Lately I've realized that what goes around comes back around. What goes around comes back around. What goes around comes back around.
Loaded. It definitely did load. Let me
Goes around comes back around.
add a to do here because this is not gonna stay like this. This is some hacky shit right here. To do implement an appropriate solution to parse our JSON. And let's give it Y. All right. Yeah, I don't like this one bit. But for purpose of proceeding, I'm gonna stick with it. So this one's gonna have to change. One character, uppercase character, one number, and at least 4 lowercase characters at a length of 8. I think that's perfect. Alright. Let's copy that and paste that here. Sure. Okay.
Life goes up and it goes down. Life goes up and it
All right. Go test. Oh. Look around, look ahead. Handle both untrusted and regular expressions. Untrusted search, untrusted. Regular expressions are handled by capping the size of compiled. Okay, then we'll resort to WebSys. Reg. We'll use that instead, because I know that supports it. So an example of this. From No. Let's see what this gives us. Oh, it requires 2. New. Oh, flag. What's the flag? I or E? Yeah. Okay. Can I give it a G for global? All right. All right. Test. Yeah. Okay. So we need 1 capital, 4 lowercase letters, 1 that, and 1 number. Is that what it is?
1 uppercase.
Oh, 1. Alright, let's do this in order. We need 1 uppercase, 1 special character, at least 1 digit, 4 lowercase, oh 3, we'll give it 4, and then at least 8. Alright. One uppercase. Number, 4 characters, more than enough. a few. Log. I really do think I need to use G here. All right. A, capital B, C, D, E, F, summation points, and a few numbers. False. So this is our regular expression, 268. Yeah, that's fine. A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, exclamation point. That's not strong enough. So 1 capital, 1 symbol, numbers, at least 1 number. 3 lowercase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 characters. Let's do this. I mean, it works. It works here. Let's remove one lower. Well, that still passed. One, two, three, one, exclamation point. I don't think look ahead and look behind is working properly. So I put in the exact same order. No. 1, 2, 3. One number. That gets it as true.
Regular expression doesn't look that correct. One lowercase, one uppercase, one digit, one special character, and must be
Alright, that one's much better. Okay. We'll do that. Okay. So this is passing for sure. Supposed to pass. Do I still have I set? Not consistent. I have the same exact thing. Oh. Oh man. So I can't have this. That's probably why the other one wasn't working either. Just trying to look for those breaks and that should be fine now. Yep. But if I do this, not enough, not strong enough, strong enough, perfect. Alright, so now since we're getting error output and our regular expression is working properly, we could kind of let's actually do this though. Let's segment this. So we're gonna add a regular expression. That's gonna look for at least right. Right, we'll do that. Then this one's gonna be A, Z. Alright. Regular expression. Now we have to do the numbers, so it should at least contain one lowercase. One should contain at least one number. And then this will be I do want to add special characters to this. All right. So we'll kind of do this guy right here. At least one. Should contain at least one symbol. One special character. Alright, and then we have should at least be 8 characters. But no maximum. I'm missing one more. Better make sure this is set properly. This has to have one special character, which I'm doing here actually. But I'd actually like specifying which one I want to use. Alright. Alright, so in theory, this will work. Should at least contain 8 alpha numeric characters. We're just gonna say characters. All right, I think this is cool enough. Okay. It's reading all of them. Okay. Okay, regular. Oh. Frick. Yeah, I really need to make this into a type. Because this right here is just not gonna be sustainable. This just doesn't look pretty. I'll probably do that tomorrow. I'm gonna have to rework that entire form component if I do that. And then we just do this. And then we just copy all that all the way to compare. Yank. And then we'll just put that there and paste that there. Okay. Well, now we have all our errors. Should contain at least a uppercase letter, which will give. Should one number. Should contain one special character and at least 8 characters. True, true, true. Awesome. Let's make it smaller. And now it gives us the error we're looking for. Should contain at least 8 characters. And we get a valid. So one capitalized letter, one lowercase, one number, one special character, and our 8 characters. Okay. That was a doozy, but it works. Okay. Let's go back here. Let's go to 116. Let's delete that. What else do we have here? 290. 290. Delete that as well. We could also go to 246 right here. I'm gonna comment this guy out because this is good for troubleshooting. And then the only one that we're outputting is the field messages directly coming from our view. Okay. So I think that's a good stopping point. We got all our error handling, our validation situated. Tomorrow we'll pick off by actually outputting those error messages on our wizard as a visitor or user is progressing through the process. We'll display those errors on the field itself. We have to come up with some elegant way of displaying it. One idea I had is if there is an error, since we're outputting back to the view, we could actually change the input outline directly and also display some sort of error messaging. We could either use our toast notification that we have already pre-built or just simply add the error underneath the form, just so we don't cause any sort of offset if we were to put the error message above the fold. But I think that's what we'll work on tomorrow. Hope everyone enjoyed. And thanks for joining. Have a good one. Deuces.